Back to another episode of Python programming, and today we're going to be talking to you about a challenge that we're going to do. This is going to be our first challenge on this channel. Basically, our first challenge is going to be you're going to be making a simple quiz based on sports facts. You can only use Python. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more quality Python. You're probably wondering why to do this challenge, but there are many cool prizes that you can win if you complete this challenge, and I think your program is very good. So let's go in more detail. All submissions are due by June 15, 2020. All submissions will be showcased, and that's the email to email it down below. Feel free to use all your previous lessons that I have posted to help you. You cannot copy and paste from external sources. I will find out if you do, so don't do it. Prizes for top 3 best quizzes. The top 3 will receive recognition, and the channel will receive a shout out. All participants will have their product displayed in our next video. This hopefully motivates you to complete my challenge. The final program answers will be in our next video. Winners will be announced. Don't miss it. All submissions are due June 15, 2020. And the answers and winners are announced on June 16, 2020. Ask all your questions about Python in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer them. If you need any help, please enter that into the comments as well, specifying what you need help with. Get your submissions in by June 15, 2020. Goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more quality Python.